Hello everyone, welcome back. I have some more presets to give away. They'll be in the description below. These are called SDS social media text. I had made some that were called social media logo. I originally made these for 9x16, but they will work on 16x9 as well. And you can stretch these out as long as you'd like. If you click on it, go to the inspector, you can open all your controls. They're all self-explanatory. On the background, if you want to add a background to it, just turn it on. Make it whatever color you want. You have your four corner, horizontal, vertical, and gradient. And when it's off, it's transparent. You don't have to turn the alpha down. There's quite a few here. There's 25 of them. I'm going to let them all play through. You can feel free to watch as long as you like. Again, they're in the description below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.